So in this video we will start collaboration topic in GitHub course. I know it's too long and it's too late for the GitHub course to come. So sorry guys for that. And guys, please subscribe my channel. Please. I'm requesting you to please subscribe. Because it's free. Guys, I'm not ordering, I'm just requesting. So please guys. Okay, so let's start by creating a repo. So first let me explain that. Collaboration means you are giving some access to a person to change and give commits to the repo in your fork, and someone will merge that, the main admin one, that person. So this is how to do that. The person can review and merge that, the main admin one. Okay, so we have to create a repo obviously for that, like demo collaboration video. Nice. Not any this one, like Python license, you know my favorite, Git license always. Okay, so I've created this one. So let me create a Python file. I will not give something fancy because it's like taste. I want just show you, because this is not the Python video. For Python video is coming on Tuesday, so remember that guys. Okay, Tuesday or Thursday, like this. And if you guys hit the subscribe button, like, so in tomorrow's week I will upload 3 Python videos and 2 GitHub videos and 3 shorts. So please guys. Okay, if this video gets at least, like, I want 20 likes, at least 20. I know you guys, you can do that. Okay, so first I took take me some code, like oops. So oops code like this. Now let me paste it here. Okay, let's name it oops.py. Okay, commit changes, main branch. Okay, so it's created now. Nice. Now what I'm gonna do is, this was my main account, you know guys. Now what I'm gonna do is go to my new previous account that I used in the GitHub course. So John Placer, that one. Okay, switched account. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, okay, sorry, first I have to give the access. So before collaboration you have to give access to the person who wants to collaborate. So like collaborators, you have to go to settings and collaborators and invite the person who we want to send, like John Placer, this person, this one. Okay, send the request. The invitation is going, you sent actually. So let me go to that account. Okay, this one would not exist. Now see, to accept that, you have to go to the inbox, this one. Now go here. Now accept the invitation in the inbox, this one. Always see which it is coming from, which repo. Sometimes security hack or anything can happen. So always check that from where. Also check like this. I am checking my repo, my profile. So like check that always, who sends you, and always keep a sneak peek on your inbox. So I accepted the request finally. Now I can have like chatting or anything like this in the pull request, like this we can converse it. Now like I'm going to my main account, and Now I'm gonna do is go to issues. Issue, like we can tell, see, it's written, you read, just you can understand. Okay guys, you've read, so let's go. Issues, I guess I've explained. Wait a minute guys, wait a minute. Okay guys, I will upload a video about issues on the next, that tomorrow week. Okay guys, only if the video gets 20 only. Okay guys, this is the condition. Okay, like I am gonna write issue, create a new class. Nice. Now John Placer I'm assigning, because he will do that, but actually I am the person doing. Okay, so let me do that. To @John Placer. See, @ means to mention someone. Like I cannot mention anyone easily. Means for the repo, like I can mention anyone, but sometimes, like if I mention, like I don't want to take the name, but I have to take the name to show the demonstration. So I cannot easily take. For this repo, I can only take the persons who I have given the access. So like John Placer, please do this for me ASAP, as soon as possible. Submit. Okay, let's go to my main account. Nice. Now see it's mentioned because I'm the main account here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do to do this, first have to you always have to remember about the forking thing. I have mentioned this, I have also explained this one. Okay, so you have to always create a fork. This is very much important to do. Without forking, you should not do like merging into the main branch. You can't even do, I guess we can't do. So we have to always create a fork, because sometimes like server main things, like it may be gone easily. Okay, fork you copy. It's created. Okay, let's now do something tweaky. Pull requests. Let me tweak the code. He told, means I only told, let me tweak the code. Yes. Oops. And always always keep in mind to up to date. Always keep it up to date, this one, by syncing the fork and here. Okay, there will be a button to sync. Okay, update, like that. Now I'm gonna edit this. Now like I'm gonna take a class, another class. Now add commit changes. Now you see this repository, this fork repository which I have created, is coming ahead of the main repository. You guys see. So to that, I'm just gonna contribute. Always keep on contribute. Click on contribute and open pull request. So now what I'm gonna do is create pull request, update. Oops, you see per collaboration suggestions request, because he is the main one, I am the main. So John Placer, enhancement, good, first issue, projects, nothing, create pull request. Okay, now what I am gonna do is review this one with my main profile. Okay, so let me go to the main branch. Okay, this one. So There is a pull request, this one. I have to review this one. To review, let me show you what to do. Yes, so everything is okay. Good condition, nominal. So now I am gonna review this. So to review, you have to click on files changed and see the file, everything is okay, or give everything is okay or not. Otherwise the server can crash if there is any wrong code. Okay, now you have to click on viewed and now approve. If you want something request changes, you can tell approve, like write your comments, submit the review. Now after submitting the review, click on merge pull request. Okay, I am not merging, I am going to the John Placer, that account. After going to that account, yes, now I am gonna merge this pull request. You see, now it's gone. Now it's gone because it merged. So now let me show you. Yes, see, and this one, my repo, I am showing you. Yeah, I was showing that different one. Okay, you see, this one is behind because I have just merged it. Now sync fork, also remember to do this. Now that one is gone. Everything is up to date now. So this is how to do the collaboration. Thank you guys, bye.